morning. So, good morning everyone. I'm Christian Barbosa for Last Reporter Group 5. So, my topic is all about kinds of grammatical beginning weeks. So, sa grammatical beginning weeks po is may 5 po, may 5. Like, first is prepositional phrase leaf, affirmative phrase leaf,
Practical grammar.
third is participial phrase leaf, and gerundial phrase leaf, and last is cross leaf. So, first, prepositional phrase leaf, who wants to read po? Okay, Miss Derisa, can you read? Yung ano lang po.
Meaning. Prepositional phrase leaf. A phrase is introduced by a preposition.
So, sa prepositional phrase leaf is, ano po siya, nagsisimula po siya sa preposition, nag-e-end po siya sa noun, pronoun, and noun phrase. So, sa prepositional phrase leaf po is, ayun na po yung example niya, kung to read po. So, Miss Arcilia,
With the power of resolution number 37 approved by the members of the board of trustees of the Batanes State College yesterday. The new grading system of the college will take effect next semester.
So, nakikita nyo naman po is yung preposition. So, nakikita nyo naman po is yung prepositional phrase leaf po, yung naka-underline na po yan. Gets po. So, next slide. Who wants to read po yung, okay, Miss Shah.
Infinitive phrase, as the name suggests, it starts with the preposition to plus the main verb.
So, sa infinitive phrase leaf po is nagsisimula po siya sa to. Nagbibigay po siya sa to. Gets po. For example po, yan. Wants to read po, okay, Miss Machas.
To meet the demands of the Australian integration, the members of the board of trustees of the Batangas State College approved the new grading system on higher education central office.
So, gets naman po yung infinitive phrase leaf, di ba po? Yung infinitive phrase leaf is nagsisimula po siya sa to. Begins po. Ibig sabihin po, nauna po yung word na begins kesa sa ano po, words po. So, next slide po. Participial phrase leaf. Miss Alvarez.
Participial phrase lead. This lead is signaled by the presence of the present. Ano yun ba? May kadugtong ba?
Modify.
Present of past participle of the verb acting as the modifier. Siguro. Modify the modifier.
So, sa participial phrase leaf po is meron po siyang two form. Ito po yung past,
And press.
present, participial po. Yung sa
Present.
present is yung nagko-continue or ongoing pa rin po siya. While po yung past, tapos na. Or complete na po siya. Guys po. So, once ulit po ng example. Okay, Miss.
The members of the board of
Ay, ano, pag trip, ipapahiram mo trip.
approved the new grading system at the Commission on Higher Education Central Office.
Hindi, pinababayad ko siya. Panggas ko lang.
Armed with the desire of synchronized and standard of ASEAN integration, the members of the Board of Trustees of the Batangas State College approved the
New grading
new
system
grading
at the
system
Commission
at the Commission on Higher Education Central Office.
So, may examples po ako dito sa present and past. Okay, magtatanong po ako is, ang sasagot niya lang po is or present participle or past participle. Let's pop. So, we broke the door.
Pass.
Past. Okay, very good. So, she is cooking there in the kitchen.
Present.
Past. He is walking in the park.
Present.
Absent. She drank the water.
Pass. Very good.
So, during Jan praise team, Mr. Jan.
Mr. Dear.
During Jan praise team, this lead is introduced by a giraffe. It is a verbal ending in ing, which acts as a noun. Many beginning writers interchange the present participial lead to gerundial lead. Remember, the former acts as a modifier, while the latter acts as a noun. Example, synchronizing. Tama na. So, sa gerundial phrase po is, madali na rin po siyang alahanin kasi nag-e-end po siya sa
IN.
or ing. So, for example, yung kayo about Miss Alfonso.
Synchronizing with the standards of ASEAN education was the primordial aim of the members of the Board of Trustees in approving yesterday the new grading system of Batangas State College.
So, gets naman po yung gerundial phrase po.
Yes.
So, who wants to give an example po? Yung gerundial po is nag-end po siya sa ing or an ing po. So, who wants to?
Kaya nyo na yan.
Gerundial or gerundial phrase.
Gerund.
So, fighting or so, next, last lead. Who wants to read po?
Hindi lang.
Max.
Wala naman tagi na 5.
Ordinates or may transform as either a noun or a adjective adverbial.
So, sa close lead po is,
Ay, may bagong guard. Ay,
sa close lead po is, pwede po siya maging independent, subordinate, or noun
Transform.
adjectival, adverbal
clause.
clause. So, sa example po niya is,
Visit.
Marco.
Ay, pagkapunta ka yan.
Because there
Wala
is
naman tagi na 5.
synchronized with the standards of ASEAN integration, the members of the Board of Trustees of the Batangas State College approved the new grading system at the Commission of Higher Education Central Office yesterday.
So, gets naman po yung class lead. So, sino po yung magbibigay ng 5 kinds of grammatica? Lahat.
Isa lang?
Sige, isa-isa na lang. Miss Alvar, ay Miss Abu Abuya. So, Miss Nicole. Okay. Sino ka? Miss Okay. So, next po. Taxi. Yun po. Kapit na. So, that's all po.
Close.